Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
We're going to demonstrate here on a 2017 Honda Civic that we have here at the garage, guys, and the AC fuse that we have here now will be inside the vehicle. If you come on the driver's side under the dash, if you look upside down, you get your head there, you're going to see a fuse box like that. This is the OBD port right here, so we're going to zoom in a little bit, that way you can clearly see the fuses. And before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses, relays, that way you don't waste time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out.
Fuse that we'll need to check here, you can see the fuses are labeled. 1 through 13 is in this row, 14 through 26 here, 27 through 39 here. So the fuse that we'll need to check in our case will be fuse number 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. The 10M fuse will need to be checked right here, guys. If your AC system doesn't work, check that fuse. There is a fuse for the AC clutch that will be on the channel as well.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.